Looking for a comprehensive collection of 3D printing files? Look no further than our Mega Bundle. With over 300,000 STL files, regular updates, and premium models, you'll have access to a wide variety of designs for all your 3D printing needs. Plus, with lifetime access to our cloud, you can download and use these files whenever you want. As a Meta-verified business, you can trust that our Mega Bundle is filled with high-quality, reliable designs. From functional parts to decorative pieces, this collection has something for everyone. Whether you're a hobbyist, professional, or educator, our Mega Bundle has the resources you need to bring your ideas to life. Say goodbye to endlessly searching for individual 3D printing files and hello to the convenience of our Mega Bundle. With just one purchase, you'll have access to a vast library of designs that will keep you inspired and productive for years to come. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your 3D printing game with our Mega Bundle.